In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google form into your Shopify store. This handy skill will enhance your ability to collect valuable customer feedback or information directly through your website. Whether you're running a survey, planning an event, or just want to gather some insights, having a Google form seamlessly integrated into your store can make the process straightforward and efficient. Let's get started by diving straight into Google Forms. First, you'll want to head over to Google Forms and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you have the option to either create a new form from scratch or select an existing template that fits your needs. This step is where you can customize your form to your liking, adding questions, tweaking settings, and just ensuring it's tailored precisely for the information you're looking to gather. After you've crafted your form to perfection, the next step is obtaining the embed code. To do this, you'll want to find and click the Send button, typically located in the top right corner of your form's interface. Once clicked, a variety of options will appear. Look for the Embed HTML choice, which is usually represented by an icon resembling a pair of angled brackets like this. Clicking on this will present you with the HTML embed code needed to integrate your form into another platform. Go ahead and copy this code to your clipboard. You'll need it shortly. Next, it's time to jump into your Shopify admin panel. From here, navigate through sales channels, make your way to Online Store, and then click on Pages. At this point, decide whether you want to create a brand new page specifically for your form, or if you'd prefer to incorporate it into an existing one. Whichever you choose, the next critical step is accessing the HTML editor. When you're in the page editor, look for a button often denoted as AOAs, or sometimes Show HTML. This action will switch your view to the HTML editor, where you can paste in the form's embed code that you previously copied. Once you've pasted the code into the HTML editor, one thing you might want to do is adjust the form's height within the code. This step can help prevent issues like compression or unnecessary scrolling, ensuring your form looks great and functions flawlessly. After making any necessary tweaks, go ahead and hit Save to publish or update the page. By following these steps, you have successfully embedded a Google form into your Shopify store. Now, you're all set to start gathering valuable information right from your site's visitors. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy form building!